Guangdong Bester Household Products Limited is a group company with manufacturing base in Zhangjiang and Foshan. Our main products include electric kettle, rice cooker, digital rice cooker, mini rice cooker, multi-cooker, pressure cooker, thermal pot, and new home appliances. With 320 workers and 5 assembling lines, total capacity comes to 400,000 pieces per month. With our own workshop for injection, metal pressing, inner pot, polishing, we can ensure timely delivery for the customer. Now products have been successfully exported to South American, Europe, Middle East, and Asian countries, and expand a wide market for our wholesalers and retailers. We believe quality is a must factor to keep long-term business with customers. The company has the ISO 9001 certification. Better insists on building own engineering team, served in our laboratory for developing new designs and technology for the customer.